J'imagine que vous avez vu ces derniers jours la presse espagnole.
Right, I imagine that you've seen the headlines of the Spanish press with Neymar going back to Barcelona. I'm wondering to which extent this can hurt the team, the squad. Have you discussed this about Neymar? Is he going to stay at PSG? Have I spoken with Neymar about whether he's going to stay? Well, look, come on. It's October. I'm not going to have this kind of discussion with Neymar as to what he will do or should do in summer. Summer is in 2019. We're in October 2018. He's our player. He's under contract. So there's really no point about having that kind of discussion with Neymar right now.